welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to teach you how you can restore your purchases on Toca World app. So first, what you'll need to do is launch your app on your device. So if you're using a device that is different than mine, or if you're using an iOS device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get on it. So after you open your Toca Life World app on your device, you will see this on your screen. After loading it for a few seconds, you should be able to see this on your screen. And after that, we are going to tap onto the shop right here on the like a cart icon, the green button right there. So tap onto that and just wait it and just load it for a few seconds. And then after a few seconds, you should be able to see this. So to restore your app or to restore your purchases here on the app, you can go ahead and scroll to the very bottom of this page right here. And you should be able to see a black button right there that says restore purchase. But since in my account or in my game here on my device, I don't have any history on my Toca Life World app, I don't have that restore purchases feature. So if you have those, if you have an history or if you already have an history here on the Toca Life World app, you should be able to locate that restore purchases. So after seeing that button, you can go ahead and tap onto that and then confirm it. So that is how you can restore your purchases on Toca World. So that is all for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.